I'm Alexis.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And today we're gonna watch
Our first episode of I Draw, You Cook together. I'm excited to watch this one.
Me too. I'm glad we're doing it together.
Yeah, same. Let's watch us.
Hi, I'm Carter, and I'm Drew.
twins.
We're 7 years old.
They're
and
so
today
cute.
we're going to have two chefs compete to make
Oh my god, my hair.
This one was favorite.
Oh, I remember this!
I'm Alexis. And I'm Alex.
Okay, I just have to
Damn
interrupt.
chairs.
Okay, there's damn tiny chairs, and my hair was so short. I get DMs like every week being like, bring the short hair back. We missed the short hair. And I was like, no.
I love your hair, both. But
Thank you.
my hair's the same, so
Your hair's the
nothing
same.
just changed.
That dragon eats meat, so that's what he's trying to get. But they're good.
I feel like what was so hard about this one was the fact that there were two of them and
Yes.
that they were just like on totally
Absolutely.
different pages.
Never again. Not only is like with one kid it's hard enough, then two, it's like double the craziness.
Like, I think after we shot this, we went to the producer and we're like, never
No.
again.
Yeah.
Oh, my hair looks rough.
Mine too. I look like I'm
Would
crazy.
you boys draw it for us?
Yes.
What's this pink you're drawing?
Oh.
It's like the evil stuff.
While they're talking, I look at Alexis. And I'm like, that look was like, help. What do we do?
Six
eyes.
If you look at us, like our faces
No,
look
look at the faces.
Our
We're like,
faces look so unhappy.
Shoot.
So I'm really gonna try to incorporate that into my
Yeah, I need a brush for the
wings. Here we go. Do you know what those taste like?
They like taste like a meat bar.
Meat ball.
What are your favorite vegetables?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. I think Drew and Carter are the only kids I've ever met that actually like broccoli, and not just like it, but love
you
it.
didn't know. How did you know if they were lying?
I never
That's
know.
the tricky thing with this show. Is that
You
kids
never
say
know.
stuff and they're liars. Do not trust
Do
a
not
kid.
trust them. They are
And especially
untrustworthy.
not twins. Let's go make some magic.
Okay. Alakazam!
I love. Remember
That
we
was
were like
so-
trying to do those like magic tricks this whole time?
We were so corny, but and
Yeah,
like it took,
I love it.
it's so funny.
We had to do that like a million times though to get it the right timing.
So here's my plan. For the body of my dragon, I'm gonna use a giant chicken nugget.
It's honestly, it's brilliant. It's brilliant.
So purple and green. For the wings, I'm gonna make burger patties.
Why did they make them black?
It's so weird. I don't know. The drawings are a nice touch for the show. Though.
They are. Nice. Pineapple.
They said it. I was very literal.
You were literal. Did I put pineapple?
You did
And
a
then I'm
salad.
gonna make wings out of like a maple bacon.
Yeah, this was really a good idea.
This was
When I saw you, I was like, ah, damn, she's gonna win.
okay. I was really proud of myself.
You did a
This
good
was
job.
really cool.
So I'm gonna start with my giant chicken nugget.
It unfortunately does look like cat food right now.
Ew! I hate cat food.
no,
What
I
if I
love the
ate cat
story
food by
coming.
accident?
What?
Yeah, it was disgusting.
Why?
I don't know.
I didn't mean to. I don't know.
I can't believe
did
they
not
kept
mean
that. I can't believe they kept it. That
I know.
was
They
so
always
funny.
keep things in this show that I'm like,
know,
you
you
were
could-
supposed to cut that out. We're able to be silly because you have to be when you're making crazy stuff.
It's so
Whoa.
that. I am sorry. It doesn't
I
look
know,
good.
it's
What
so
did I
gross.
do? I feel like the joy of the show too is like you get really creative in ways that
Totally.
you wouldn't
Yeah,
normally.
Absolutely. And sometimes I look back and I'm like, whoa, you have such a short amount of time that you kind of just got to do it.
Yeah.
And I think that's big with like creativity in general.
Totally.
Is just doing it.
First, do a little bit of a dry coating in this flour.
This
Now,
is
I'm gonna
genius
dip this
of you,
in my
honestly.
egg,
I mean,
wiggle that around.
It's a giant chicken nug.
Abracadabra.
I crack myself up.
Wow, this was so long ago.
I know.
You look like a different
look
person.
like a
You
different
literally look like it. I
is
look
this
like
girl?
I'm looking at a different person.
My chicken nugget looks pretty good. It's golden
You
brown.
really
Same
sound
heart,
like
same heart.
Grow up on camera.
I had this crazy idea to try to dye the cheese for the
Oh my
quesadilla.
god. More
So
time.
intense.
Listen, kids like color.
Food coloring cheese is not that weird. Have you ever cooked for kids?
No, I have not.
You haven't?
I mean, like
See, this
on
is
this
why
show,
I like this show is because I used to be an au pair, so I am really used to taking care of kids.
I haven't.
You know, still lost this episode though.
I'm just gonna put my barbecue sauce in a squeeze bottle so that it's
Oh
easier to control.
Do you think it was like that it was so funny or that we were so
Okay,
delirious.
I feel like the thing is that people don't know is that it's like 90 degrees and you have like all these cameras and lights, you're cooking, you have like a short amount of time, you're like making this crazy thing.
You're doing so many different things.
And so I feel like it was really funny, but I think we were also
were just, like,
delirious.
dying.
And like this was almost at the end. Like we've been cooking for hours. I thought so
think this
genius
is-
to put it on the sheet pan.
There wasn't a big enough tray.
No idea which way this could go.
It was just different because you didn't stick to the picture, but you made something cooler.
I like that we're gonna react to ourselves reacting.
I know.
Making this drawing, I was really skeptical. And it looks insane. Okay, the wings are so cool. I feel really optimistic about this.
I already knew. I was like, it's fine. She's gonna win. It's fine.
But you never know. You never know with kids.
I also am confident.
It looks great. It looks like the picture.
But in my experience, kids love all these foods too. So
They do. See, that's the thing. I knew that kids like those kinds of foods.
Totally. It's definitely not what they drew. My hair looks insane.
But your dish looks great.
This
That's
looks
what
great.
counts.
Hair looks frazzled.
My hair looks crazy too.
now let's hope it tastes like their imagination.
Yours looks
Bring on the dragon feast.
spot on.
That was just my tactic this whole time.
This
It's
is
always so funny.
mashed potatoes with food
They really got
color.
it.
Yeah.
It's like Play-Doh or mashed potatoes. If it's mashed
I'll give them
potatoes,
that. It did look like
because I don't like mashed potatoes.
Wait, this is really funny. It wasn't in the couch room. So when we first started filming the scene, they were switched in the opposite chairs and no one noticed. I mean, this is also the funny thing about like working with, like kids. Okay, we want you to like say those same things again. And
No, you gotta be vigilant.
Really? Who doesn't like mashed potatoes?
It doesn't really look like a dragon, but looks good. It looks just like our picture. It's really good. It's so good.
It's just
So
broccoli.
good. Oh, in the middle. It's a chicken nugget. It's a
is
chicken
it just
nugget.
steamed broccoli?
It was just you.
Yeah. My favorite
Let's keep it simple. Somewhere.
this head. That looks just like a dragon. Oh, look.
I knew immediately. I was like, I'm out.
This was for me like a lollipop candy thingy. I would be a little better without the salt.
Why did I try to make salted maple candy for
You're
a kid?
very sophisticated.
So,
No, you know what that
blackberry?
is?
What?
That is an actual dragon fruit.
He's like, what is that?
Dragon fruit. Because we're eating a dragon feast.
It was a true dragon feast.
Alakazam!
Hello.
Hi, boys.
Hi.
So you two had two very different dishes. Which did you like better, the chicken nugget or the meat? I just always feel really nervous.
Why?
Because you're like, you don't know who they're gonna pick.
I knew who they were gonna pick. Are you kidding?
The chicken nugget or the meatloaf?
Meatloaf!
Meatloaf. Wasn't even a second pause.
Mine. Oh, Alex.
I didn't slay the dragon. The dragon slayed me.
I think the magic was in my favor this time.
It was.
That's so sweet. Okay, the like last second of my face and that was like, we're done here.
Listen, I wasn't even mad to lose to that one because it was obvious.
We did another one where I lost like terribly.
I know, but it's so fun because it's all about the journey.
It's about the journey. I feel like people like the show because it's like you're making kids happy.
Yeah, you get to have a lot of fun with it. You get to make something that no one would expect or think to make.
I would never serve an adult like
You would never do that.
a dragon
Yeah.
meatloaf.
It's nice to have like videos to look back on and to remember.
I think we've come a long way.
We have, thank God. Our hair
Our hair has come a long
Our hair's
way.
brushed.
Thank God. Thank God.